Hi, good evening guys, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Wednesday. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Afro Carol Kitchen here. So today we are making some Irish. These are my ingredients, they are here ready, and also salt. So let us turn on the gas to heat up the saucepan before we add in some cooking oil. Today I have a question to ask you, ladies and gentlemen who are watching my video. And if you are new, I just want to say my name is Afro Carol. You are welcome to watch my videos, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you. I don't take you guys for granted. So I do cooking. The question I have today is, how was it like for you when you are starting your YouTube channel? What driven you to start your YouTube channel, and how was the journey like from then to now? I would like you to share with me in the comment section. I'll be honored to also learn from you and also reply. So here, our saucepan is almost dry, so I'm going to add in some oil. Here we are. I'm adding just a little, not too much oil. I want something like a tablespoon of oil, something like this much. Now this might be like it's even more. I will take it out. You don't need a lot of oil, so I wait it to heat a bit. Add in my onions. So I'll wait for the onion to cook for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then I add in some tomatoes. So that's it. Just cooked a little bit. Add in so our tomatoes are cooked half. Add some salt in. Add in my Irish. I've thrown in some one potato. So I add it. Turn it. Make sure tomatoes goes inside everything. So add in some water. I have some hot water here. Adding it like a cup of water and a half. This is a cup and a half of hot water. You can even add cold water, guys. It depends on what is available. Allow it to boil as I'm still cooking other food. So here I am with another food that I'm preparing. My oil is ready. I have onion here for it, one live onion. So that's what I'm adding in. This is for it to cook a bit. So adding tomatoes, carrots. We have our royco here to taste. Some turmeric and black pepper and salt also. And I'm going to show you what is now add tomatoes. Those are like 4 big tomatoes. Wait for it to cook. And while adding salt into my tomatoes. The salt helps the tomatoes to cook very fast. So my tomatoes are ready. I'm going to add in some royco. Smash. A little turmeric. A little flavor. My food has salt already. That's it. That's the food I'm doing. This is Nyoyo. It is known as Githeri. This is our Wednesday food. Every Wednesday. This is our food. So, I'm not going to use too much. So that is it. Mix it together. I allow it to boil. And see? So, my nyoyo is ready. I'm going to garnish it with green onion, a lot of it. When my potatoes is cooked, I'm garnishing it also. For potatoes is not enough. So let me turn this one. Show you. Serve it in the bowl. This one is also cooked. I serve it in the bowl, but I need to taste the salt. Here we are, served. I'm going to serve the potatoes also. When the potatoes are done, one more to go. Keep washing. This is our cabbage. Our saucepan is here. Add oil. Let it heat a bit. I'm not adding onion here because I put green onion, carrots, and parsley. That's enough. It's a lot of oil. That's enough. There we are. So I've turned it. Wait for the other side also to cook before I take it off the fire. My ingredients is here. This is the salt. I love using my cabbage. Ladies and gentlemen, our finishing food is right here. So we are done with our dish. As you can see, our food is ready. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, turning the notification bell. God bless you guys. I wish you a good night. See you another round.